Here is the best YouTube advice I've ever heard. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, as a YouTuber, I completely understand the struggles of being a YouTuber, all right? Because every day, thousands of people are waking up like, yo, I want to be a YouTuber. You know what I'm saying? Like, I want to make money, because it's a known fact. A lot of people are making full-time incomes just by being a YouTuber. But with that being said, there's millions of people who aren't making a damn dime from YouTube. So what most people do is, including myself, you know what I'm saying? We always get on YouTube and we do searches, right? You know, how to make money with YouTube, how to get a lot of subscribers, how to get more views to my videos, how to create the perfect thumbnail, right? We all do it. And we consume all of this time, right? We watching all of these videos, right? Trying to find that little, that secret, right? We're trying to find that path to financial freedom. A lot of times the answer is just straight up simple. So one piece of advice that really helped me out, and I think it can help a lot of people out, it's very, very simple, but it can be very effective. And that piece of advice is just be you, right? Now you might be thinking, of course I'm me. You know what I'm saying? Damn, I'm me right now. But what I mean is, sometimes when it comes to being like a YouTuber, you see other people, right? Other YouTubers. And then you see all these videos, people training you on YouTube. What do they tell you to do? Oh, you need to be this. Oh, you need to be that. You need to look at other creators and see what they doing and see how they talk and see their background, right? So then you start getting confused because you watching all these different tip videos, right? To the point where you're like, when you turn the camera on, you're like, I don't even know who the hell I'm supposed to be, right? Should I talk proper? You know, can I cuss? Because in real life, I cuss. I say shit in real life, but should I say that on YouTube? What about my demographic, right? You get all confused to the points where you don't even feel good about creating your videos. And once you stop feeling good about creating your videos, it's not going to work. You're going to lose your passion for YouTube. It's just a matter of time. So I want you to realize one thing. As long as you are you can't fail. You cannot be wrong. So whatever content you put out, you're going to feel comfortable because you're like, that was me. You know what I'm saying? No matter what you say, how you feel, how it comes across, it doesn't matter because it's you. You're right. You're not trying to be nobody else. You're not trying to prove yourself to nobody else because you are you. And as long as you keep that in your mind and keep that whenever you're recording, creating your content, whatever, you can't go wrong being you. And what really inspired this video is, you know, like I said, I study YouTube. I buy courses and I watch tons of videos on title creation and thumbnail creation and all of this and lighting and this and that and do this and don't do that, right? Every day I see new stuff, right? New tips and everything. But at the same time, there are so many YouTube channels, successful YouTubers who do the absolute bare minimum. I mean, some people might even think their channel's trash, right? Low quality, you name it, right? Don't speak clearly, don't look great, the background all messed up, you name it, right? And these YouTubers are balling. You hear me? Balling. Because I know how to pretty much tell how much YouTubers making, right? And these channels are making $20,000 a month, these YouTubers, right? And I'm like, so I'm looking at their channels and I'm like, damn, what is they doing so special? They don't have special lighting. They don't even talk clearly. Like, I don't even know what they're talking about. But one thing I notice about all these YouTubers, the really successful ones, is they're themselves. And if they're not, they damn good actors, because these people come off so damn natural. They come across like normal people. And they're super successful, and they don't have all the flashy thumbnails. There's some YouTubers out there making a shit ton of money, and they don't even have thumbnails. They don't even use thumbnails. Think about that for a second, right? So Not saying that you shouldn't, you know, focus on titles and thumbnails. What I'm saying is don't stress over it. You know what I mean? Just be you. If your style basically tells you like, shit, I don't want no thumbnail, I don't need no thumbnails, then try your channel out with no thumbnails. Do 20 videos with no thumbnails, right? Or, you know what I'm saying, do the cool thumbnails and cool and fancy as you want to get, and just do it because it's you. Remember, you cannot be wrong as long as you're you.